Hey guys, it's Maylee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make really thick and glossy slime with only a few ingredients. So yeah, let's get right into the video. First, you're going to be needing a bowl, and you can see me on this side, like right there. So you get a bowl and a mixing tool. You'll also be needing some Elmer's school glue. And I will try another recipe with Elmer's, what's it called, glue all. So yeah, and this is the secret ingredient, foaming facial cleanser. And you're going to be needing activator. I have borax and water. So first, start off with pouring your glue into your bowl. And right now, you don't want to add your foaming facial cleanser yet. You just want to activate your slime. When you reach this point of activation, you want to add 1 pump of your foaming facial cleanser. And mix it all together. It should be quite hard to mix, but it kind of activates the rest of the slime, as you can tell. And then just use your hands and mix it all in. And this is the result after you have kneaded your slime. And as you can see, it's a bit stiff, but that means it will be thick and glossy after you let it sit in a container for a while. Maybe like 2 to 3 days. And if you want it to be a little less stiff, then you could add a little bit less facial cleanser or not activate your slime as much as I have. This is the container I will be using. And just plop it right in and close it up. Okay, the next recipe will be with glue all. Now you want to follow the same steps. You want to activate it slightly and add your foaming facial cleanser.
And for glue all, you want to be careful when you're activating because it tends to activate really fast and clump up in one spot only, so that gets really hard to mix in.
At this point, I'm going to add 1 pump of my foaming facial cleanser. Or maybe half a pump. And then mix it right in. So this one is regular school glue, and this one is glue all. As you can see, this is a lot more thicker than this one. This has like a thin, kind of thick texture, and this one's a lot thicker, as you can tell. Hopefully you could tell that, but they're both pretty glossy. And they will be a lot more glossy after a couple of days